when you find something that looks really good, you don't want to tell anyone about it, because when you do, it then gets overpopulated with people and it just looks messy, you know. And he loves them. Yeah, down here. Really, walk on this path. The flowers. Wow. You're more beautiful than a rose, more beautiful than you know. Your kiss sweeter than honey, you're a kind, beautiful soul. I don't have anything except my love and wish for you, so please accept this rose I picked for you. Together we can make a wish, let's plant our seed together, by sending our wish and rose out to the sea. Now I found this. It shows you a very clear outlay view of the surroundings. It's one thing I don't have is a drone, but you get the idea. So gentle like your love.